called Asime James. I'm a teacher at Adonai Smart Academy. I teach the subject which is called Social Studies. We have had a seminar which had a topic about how we can change mindset of different people, especially our children whom we teach. I have learned different things which can help us in our daily life. I have learned the language which we as teachers have to use when we are teaching children. We know many teachers when they are teaching, we use different words which can hurt the hearts of children which are not good, like abusing them, like doing whatever, like minimizing them, weakening them. We have studied how to handle them in different ways. After that, we have seen also how readers should behave, how we can behave in our daily life. I have learned the most thing which is talking about the strong hearts. Most of the people fail to succeed or to reach their goals because of their weak hearts. I have learned that when we have strong hearts, it is very easy even to handle our problems, even to make decisions. So it was a very good seminar because it has changed me a lot according to how I can change myself, according to how I can change my life. According to what we have in our minds, according to where we came from, according to whatever we pass through in our daily life, they don't allow us to have faith. But as long as we run through our failures, we succeed or reach to our goals. Thank you for those people who have helped us to teach us different things. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.